Welcome back. My name is Gigi and this is Glam Tones. Today we are working with a new product on the channel. This is actually a new brand for our channel, not a new brand. It's been around. But I got a deal on it, so I decided to try all the colors that they were offering on the deal, and that was these three. We're going to start by looking at the green. The brand is Rosalind, and that's actually the same brand that our giveaway is. I'll insert a little picture so you know what that's going to be. That's going to be for our 500 subscriber giveaway. So if you're not subscribed, be sure you do so, because the quicker we get there, the quicker somebody's going to get a prize. So we're just going to go ahead and start using this, tapping it out on this tip. It's very firm. I really like that. It stays where you put it. There's not a lot of spreading. It's not juicy. It works really good with my acrylic brush, and this is an acrylic brush. I like how it smooths. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. Kind of right there, actually. But just patting it into place and using my brush to smooth everything out. I do actually do a tiny bit of finish filing to these off camera just to make them a little more perfect, but not very much, guys. This was a very, very good poly gel that I enjoyed working with for the 5 nails that I did on this. I've not used it other than that, and I've not worn it yet. But look at that green. That is so gorgeous. And look at how well it pats out. It goes exactly where you want it to, but nowhere else. Who knows, we might have a new contender for favorite poly gel. I don't know. I want to get some more colors and check it out because I really like how these work. Each one of them felt identical to the others. The colors are rich and beautiful. Look at that blue. It's like a light electric blue almost. I'm really digging it, really a lot. I got a good deal on it. I don't know. Let me see. Let me look on Amazon right this second while we're chatting and see if I can find out what the actual price of these are. Because I got a deal. If you're on Facebook, go to Sweet Deal Finders and join their group, because I get so many good deals. Let me see. It's been a while. I actually ordered these in December, but I hadn't used them yet, and so that's why they didn't go into the favorites and fails. They'll have to be for next year. Let's see, and they are 60 mLs, and they're $8 each, or rather $7.59. And they have, they're out of a few of the options, but there's 7 options still available at that, some of them are a little more expensive than others. They range from $7.19 to $10, so, and they've got larger sizes too. Instead of 2 fluid ounces, they have 2.7. And, but they're out of a lot of those colors as well. But it's good to know, maybe I'm going to order this clear. They have the clear, and I really want to try that. I think I might order that. So stay tuned to the channel. Make sure that you are subscribed, not only for that, but for that giveaway. And just because, you know, I'm a nice girl. So how does it, ombre? Let's find out. I'm going to pat out some of the blue. And I didn't even talk about that purple. How pretty is that purple? Anyway, I'm going to pat out this blue just to make the tip at the bottom. And then we're going to come over the top with some green in a minute. I did do an actual full 60-second cure to make sure that was fully cured and that the green would not interfere with it later on down the road. Some things don't like flash cures, and I've not played with this enough to know if it does or not. But look at how well it ombres. Look at that. That is a beautiful blend. And marble? Can it marble? Let's find out. We started with that beautiful purple. That's just about my favorite shade of purple too. From there into deeper purples, that's where I live in my love for purple. Don't get me wrong, lavender's lovely, but I'm into the deeper colors. And all of these have got, even the green's a little on the lighter side, and the blue is more of a medium toned, but they all have a richness and saturation to the color while even staying the tiniest bit jelly. So like they're not full jelly, but if you did thin enough, they would be. But they've got that quality. You can definitely see through them a little bit. So I really like the slight sheerness, the deep, rich colors, and how it pats out like a dream. I mean, look, it stays exactly where I want it. And it smooths out really well, and that's why I use this type of brush, because it really does smooth out the surface of that nail, and it takes your filing down to a minimum. It's pretty nice, right? I love that marble. Oh, excuse me, a little tickle in my throat there. Speaking of that, I am almost completely better. I've seen my doctor, got all kinds of steroids and albuterols and what have you. I got a shot. I had a breathing treatment there, and I started feeling better that day. So I'm not 100% yet. I put myself right around 75% maybe, but I feel like over the next few days, everything's going to get just so much better. So yay. We're going to keep it to 2 times a week for now, though, because I just need to get my feet under me, and I need to catch up on some other things that I didn't get to finish. But this is the 5 nails we did today. I love the colors of these, and I can't wait to do some more things with them. I did actually stop the voiceover, go and order the clear, so that'll be coming soon. If there's something you'd like to see me attempt, please let me know below. And thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.